Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. And for today, one of my favorites, of course, again, I love French fries, but they're very fattening. So what did I come up with? Sweet potato fries. And they're baked with very little oil. And I'm going to create a curry ketchup dip. Absolutely awesome. Now just look at this. Just imagine these fries are low in calorie, they're delicious, they're crispy, and this curry dip is out of this world. So let's get going here. Grab about 2 pounds of sweet potato, and we have to take the skin off. You could leave the skin on, but I find it's a little bit on the bitter side. So let's remove it. Now here comes some work. We want to slice it in a way that's not too thick, not too thin, because we want it to bake evenly. So you're never going to get a perfect fry. So, don't really worry about it. Try to do the best you can. Now I like to cut them about a 1/4 inch thick, and I'll put it on the side like this. And I start to eyeball it, and I start to slice it just like this. And with a little bit of practice, you'll do it a lot faster. And basically, this is what I want to accomplish. As even as possible, but like I said, it's impossible to get them all even. Now grab a bowl of cold water, put them in, and let them soak for about 45 minutes to remove the excess starch. Now it's been about 45 minutes, well, maybe an hour. Grab yourself a nice clean kitchen towel or a terry towel or a cheesecloth, whatever you have, and let's dry them. It's important to dry because I want everything to stick to it properly when it goes into the oven. Now let it sit here for about 5 minutes to take the excess moisture. Grab yourself a dry bowl and put the fries inside just like this. And to help the baking and to make it taste better, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about half a teaspoon or less of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, or you can even go to smoked paprika. Now let's mix it together. Toss, blend, and toss some more. A baking tray, grab your French fries and let's put it on top of some baking paper. Baking paper makes your life a little bit easier and it prevents it from sticking. Trust me. Now let's separate each one. If you're a perfectionist, believe me, this is your choice of dish. Now in a preheated oven of 400 degrees, we're going to bake the potatoes for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I'm not going to flip them over, but please keep an eye on them. And now for the curry dip, add 1 tablespoon of your favorite olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of sugar, but if you don't want to add it, please don't. And now let's add 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. Yes, ketchup. You know everybody loves ketchup. Now stir, and into the microwave on full blast for 1 minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds. And now what I want you to do is stir it and let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're almost done. Let's add 1/4 cup of mayo. And here I'm using low-fat mayo. And let's once again stir it until it's blended in. Now this is an option. I'm adding 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Or you can add chopped green onions, whatever makes you happy. Now let's stir it just a little bit more, and there you have it, a beautiful, delicious dip. And all I can say now is thank you very much from Tony and Cooking Around, and I hope to see you again on my next cooking video. Please enjoy. Goodbye now.